3 different ads you need to master when you're doing dropshipping or ecom. Today we will talk about 3 different styles of ads you need to have in your campaign, and you need to master them and know what it is. But I will explain everything for you in this video, and we will go over each one of the styles, and I will also show you some examples of them, of course. My name is EcombyNik and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about dropshipping, ecom, and everything surrounding that. And if you like this, please give me a comment what you want to see in the next video, or a like, thumb up. That really helps the channel, of course. And let's just jump into the video. So, 3 different ads you need to master when you're doing dropshipping or ecom. We have our top of funnel, our middle of funnel, and our bottom of funnel ads. The top of funnel is try to get attention to our brand. We will introduce our product for the customer for the first time. The middle of funnel is where we build trust. And the bottom of funnel is where we want, of course, the customer to take action. Then, of course, you have variation of this and things like that. You have ads that are like top of the funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel in one ad. And that's often what we use in dropshipping. We use an ad like an UGC ad, but we use a hook that's scroll stopping, and the middle part that is UGC and talking about the product. And then in the end, we are doing a call to action. In that case, we're almost packing everything into one ad. And that's also a type of ad I want to have in my campaign, of course, because we are doing dropshipping, want to sell directly on emotions. I'd still want to go over this, because when you know this and you understand the logic behind this, then you can create a lot of different types of ads, and a lot of different type of ads that you can have in your campaign. And you, like I said, you can combine this into one ad, of course. So what is a top of funnel? We start with the top of funnel. A top of funnel ad is an ad that says, wow, what is this? You're showing the product in action directly. The goal is to be scroll stopping. You know, when the customer is sitting looking at social media at night, we want them to just, whoa, what's this? And we want it to spark curiosity in our customers. We want a fast hook, and we want visual transformation quick. Here's something you didn't know existed before. Here we sell with a pinpoint or something like that. But it's like not hard selling. We are just showing them the product here. And this is what I mean. We can do also ads, of course, when we're doing dropshipping. That is like this, and then we sell them hard anyways in the end. But that's more advanced. This is how you should build your structure your ads. It's the top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. Okay. So one example of this type of ad. Now, in this case, I will take this product, a lip stain, and do as an example my ads. So. Top of funnel ads that spark curiosity is like this. This is really scroll stopping, of course. Then we have our middle of funnel ad. Here we want to explain more to the customer what type of product we are selling. What is this? And this is great, of course, with UGC, demonstration, unboxing, benefits explained, how to use it, some social proof, testimonials, things like that. This is where you educate and build some trust, because these customers have never seen our brand before, so we need to build some trust, of course. And this is an example of the same product. So you see, they explain in the products a lot more. And then we have our bottom of funnel, and easy explained. Our bottom of funnel, here is where we will sell to the customer. The goal is to convert. We show our offer, our discount, our bundles, our urgency. We show our guarantees. We show this is the final push to get the customer over the edge to buy. It should be a clear call to action, of course. Shop now, order now. This is the last chance. All of that. And how you do that is quite simple. Is one bottom of funnel ad. In your face, buy 2 get 3 this weekend, free UK shipping. So that's the bottom of funnel ad. And why are we doing this? This is, of course, to take the customer on a journey. You take the customer on a journey with your website, with your offer, with your ads, and everything starts with the product, of course. And when they first will see your product, they will. This can go very quick. This can be over a night on Meta. If someone are at home and they are scrolling on Instagram or something, Instagram is of course really good these days, or Meta, and TikTok, all the social media platform we are advertising on. Right now they are very good at retargeting our customer. We don't need to do that anymore with special campaigns or something like that. They do that automatically. So the first thing, and they are also identifying our ads. They will put our ads like a top of funnel ad, a middle of funnel, and a bottom of funnel ads automatically in our campaign. So the first thing the customer will see often is your top of the funnel. If you look at when you're releasing a new campaign on Meta, you will see that the top of funnel ads that you have done will get the spend first. And that's because people are scrolling, they will see, whoa, that's a wow factor. I have never seen this product before. What is it? And then they keep scrolling, and then they got the second ad that's more education, and they were, I was quite interesting of this. And they keep looking, they get educated a little bit about the product, and the last one they see is the offer. And they were, let's buy it. So that's how we take, and then they come to our website, of course, and they see the offer and everything like that, and we take them on a journey to the checkout, and everything should run smooth. Everything should be exactly like in the ad, exactly like on our website or landing page and in our offer. So the customer never feel hesitated to go all the way. So to wrap it up, top of funnel is where you spark the interest for the customer. Middle of funnel is where you educate the customer, and bottom of funnel is where you sell your product to the customer. And if you want me to do more videos about topics like this, just leave a comment on what you want to see, and I will gladly do them. I love standing here talking ecom with you all days. So leave a comment and please like, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you want to test dropshipping by yourself, I will leave a link at the top of the description to Shopify, where you get Shopify for 3 months for only $1 a month or something. Also helps the channel, of course. And I will also leave a link to my website, EcombyNik. I have released a total ecom blueprint where you will learn everything. You will learn how you go from finding your product to building a website to micro-branding it to building a real brand. We go over everything in that course. So it's a one-time fee, and you're in the course, in the program, and you also get access to me to ask questions. So I really hope I see you in the program, and otherwise I see you in the next video.